Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this lo-fi, boom bap, hip-hop drum kit. Guys, I'm actually psyched up for this one. Is you psyched up for this? Feel like crazy, amazing things are coming. You know, they coming, man. I told you crazy things are coming. And this is like, this is a start. I'm giving you a little bit of spoiler for it, so just wait for it. Okay. So in today's video, I have this lo-fi boom bap drum kit. It's crazy, man. I always got you as far as, quality and amazing sounds is concerned. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. All right, without no further ado, let's get started. So before I actually jump into this, this drum kit was inspired by artists like Joey Badass and Pro Era, Capital Steez. If you guys listen to Common, Jay-Z, A Tribe Called Quest, I can just keep going on that list. So they actually inspired me to to get into this, and they got me, man, as always. Okay. So it's always nice to have that little bit of motivation just to push you in a little bit and make you push your levels a little bit further. And that's what I'm trying to do here. Trying to help you make crazy boom bap beats. So yeah, so let's get started. So in this, there's some loops in here. There's some hats. There's some kicks, and there's some melody loops, and then there's some snares. So I'm gonna start you off first with the sample loops, the melody loops. So I'm gonna just drop one. And I believe, all the samples I made them at 87 BPM. So let me just do 87. Let's just drop one of these. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of the loops that I actually made, the drum loops here, just to give you that demonstration. You can hear how it sounds. Or maybe first, let me just play the loop itself so you can hear how it sounds. All right. That's the first loop. Let's go to the second. Let me just loop this. So what I'm gonna do next is play you the loops. Then I would try playing one of the loops under the melody loop so you can hear how it sounds combined together. All right. First loop, second. All right, so let's try one here. So let's try that with a second loop in here, how it sounds. yeah, that's it. So let's try with a second drum loop. Second. This. Yeah, let's hear that. Second. Alright, that's it. Now, man, you can hear for yourself, man. This is pure fire, man. This is pure heat, man. So yeah, better make sure that you actually get it, man. This is crazy, man. Just it's actually a go ahead if you actually you're getting stuck a little bit, on making that beat. It can give you like a go ahead start on how to go about it, and even if you don't actually like how the loop goes, you can actually just go ahead and tweak it. Just tweak it to your desire. So yeah, that's it. So what I'm gonna do next is show you the drum kit. So I'm gonna start off with the hi hats. All right, kicks. Snares. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it. Crazy, man. Quality sounds. It's all about just dragging and dropping, man. You can just drag and drop, and you'll be good to go, man. Unless you feel like you actually want to go further, it's up to you and what you actually hear. I've always said that. So yeah, that's it, man. So link in the description on where to actually download the drum kit, and it will take you to where this amazing stuff is. So man, enjoy the drum kit, enjoy yourself making crazy boom bap beats, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye. Namaste.